So the question is, how can you protect yourself? There is a law firm here that actually represents Uber and Lyft drivers that might get hurt on the job. And now that firm is launching a new program here in Ohio aimed at protecting gig workers. We have Bryant Greening with us today, the attorney and co-founder of LegalRideShare. So why focus solely on gig workers?
Well, gig workers are facing an extremely dangerous environment these days. We've seen an uptick in carjackings and assaults against Uber and Lyft drivers, and we're trying to step in to give them adequate protection and recourse if and when something turns sour.
So explain this new program that you're launching here in the Buckeye State.
Well, we're establishing a driver safety fund, and with that comes an opportunity for drivers to have access to dash cameras and also rewards to convict criminals who target rideshare drivers.
So how do you think this program will actually protect Uber, Lyft, and other delivery drivers that are out there?
Well, one of the most important things that a driver can have is a dash camera. We encourage every driver to make that the first purchase when they start driving for Uber, Lyft, Postmates, or any other gig service. The reason for that is twofold. One, dash camera serves as a deterrent to potential bad actors. If someone sees a dash camera in the car, they're less likely to target that particular driver. And second, it's evidence when something does go wrong. So we've had cases in which criminals have actually been caught by the police. We've been able to file lawsuits on behalf of drivers, all based on evidence that was collected from the dash camera.
Now, if someone is a gig worker and they're watching and they have a camera in their vehicle or would like to add one, legally speaking, do they have to disclose that if someone is to enter their vehicle?
Well, the rules on recording are complicated, and we encourage that the camera is disclosed. And honestly, having a sign in your vehicle that says, "Smile, you're on camera," helps with that deterrence factor. So, put up a sign, tell your passenger that they're recording, or that you're recording, and that will help set the tone for the ride. This is a safe ride in which everyone is going to be held accountable.
Okay. And so you're also launching a chance for people to get one of these cameras for free. So if somebody is a gig driver, how can they qualify for a free dash cam?
So we're running advertisements on Facebook. If you follow us at LegalRideShare, you can enter that way. You can also email us at help@legalrideshare.com requesting them. We are giving away 10 dash cameras every month, and our goal is to replenish this fund as long as drivers are interested in the service.
And what is the end goal here for your firm and this company? We are seeing so many people pick up that second or third job and going to all of these gig jobs because they are flexible. You can work when you want to and they're easy. But as you mentioned, it does come with a risk depending on what you choose.
The goal is safety, always. At LegalRideShare, we are encouraging drivers to take every action that they can to be safe. Our firm helps drivers in the events of accidents or injuries. So if anything were to happen, we would encourage drivers to reach out to us directly to try to make sure that they're taken care of.
And clearly a camera is going to help your case.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, Bryant Greening, thanks so much for being with us today. If you want more information on this new program, just head over to our website, 13abc.com.